So hello friends. So in this video we are going to talk about ternary operator. Okay. So in previous video we have not mentioned. Okay, that what is the ternary operator. Okay. So in here we will talk about ternary operator. Okay, and a little bit about string concatenation operator means that if suppose you are using plus operator using number and string. Okay, so this will convert number is convert into string and will add with string. Okay, so that is the concatenation operator. Okay, and that here ternary operator. So let's go to the console and we'll discuss. Okay, here control shift I. Okay, so let's here cut means here var number 1 is equal to 10. So what is the type of number? Type type of number 1 is number. Okay, we have already in the previous videos in any videos. Okay, so you can watch. So type of operator we have already used. No? So number, that what is the variable means 10 is the number type. Okay, and suppose we are using var where number 2 is equal to value 2. Okay, so what is the type of type of number 2? What is the type of that? Is a string. So okay, here is number or string, and if you are try to sum, okay, number 1 plus number 2, so what will be output? Here is 10, here is 2. Okay, so what will be output? It will 12. No, because here 10 is a number and here 2 is a string type. So what will be output? It will 10 102 means output will be 102. Okay, so let's here sum. You can see na output here 102. So that is the concatenation operator. Okay, and if you and only if it, suppose number 2 is number types, what would be output here? It output will come here 12. Okay, but here is string and here number. You can see a type of indicating that what is the value is number type and string type, so that output is 102. Okay, so that is the concatenation operator. Okay, and now let's move to the most important operator, ternary. Alright, ternary operator. You can see ternary ternary operator. Okay, so here again ternary ternary operator. So what will be the syntax? So syntax is variable 1 condition. Okay, sorry, condition, condition, then question mark. Okay, and then output 1 colon output 2. Okay, so that is the syntax. What is syntax? This will condition and then this our condition will be true, then first will be output come, and if condition is false then second one is coming as output. Okay, so so you can understand the condition question mark output 1 output 2. If condition is true will be output 1. Okay, and if condition is false, so output will be output 2. Okay, so let's go to the example. And why we use ternary operator is basically replacing the if block. Okay, if and if statement, if else statement. Suppose same thing you want to write. Okay, here let's clear clear. Okay, here we are number 1 is equal to 10. Okay, so what will be if number 1 is equal to 10. Okay, so that console console dot log, sorry, if statement, if statement system whatever that. Okay, else else I will talk about now if statement how to use. Okay, let's we first discuss operators. Let's complete the operator part. Okay, first. So console, and this is the console here. Okay, and this is a else else statement. Okay, statement statement. Okay, so here if number 1 is equal to 10, so that is the controller go inside if, otherwise else. Okay, so what will you output here? Number 1 is equal to 10. Yes, so it will go inside here and else block will be ignored. Okay, so if statement. Okay, and suppose the condition is false. Okay, number 1 is equal to 11, not number 1 is equal to 11, no, false, to else statement will be printed. So else statement. Okay, so how to replace these things? Okay, how to replace? So we will replace like, let's comment. Okay, so you can understand. Let's comment this statement said so that controller will ignore na. And here number 1 is equal to 10 question mark condition, this is the condition. Okay, we have made syntax first condition then question mark, output 1 and output 2. Okay, so what will be output? This should be output colon second output this. Okay, so number 1 is equal to 10. Okay, so what will be the output? First, if condition is true, then first statement will be executed, and here ternary operator syntax, SYNTAX syntax. What will be syntax? Condition, so CONDITION condition, question mark, statement 1 and statement 2, you can say. Okay, so that is the syntax. So condition number 1 is equal to 10. Condition, if condition is true, so first statement will be executed. If condition is false, so second statement will be executed and first will be ignored. Okay, means condition, this is the if statement. Condition, if condition will true, if true, condition will true, if and condition will true, then statement 1. Okay, and statement 2 condition, and condition false. Okay, so you can understand the exact syntax. Okay, so here what we are doing, here number is equal to 10. Yes, number is equal to 10, so number 1 is equal to 10. Okay, console dot this statement will be print, otherwise if this is false, so this condition will be print. So here condition is true, so what statement will be executed? This one statement will be executed. Okay, and you can see in the same statement ternary operator using ternary operator, the same statement we use if block. So we need to use ternary operator first, uh, and ignore the if statement if you are aware about ternary operator, because execution will be fast. Okay, otherwise if then else then else then else. Okay, so here there are some scenarios, okay? So based on scenario you can think, okay, but when we use ternary operator, when we use if statement. So basically ternary operator replace the if statement, okay? So here you can say na, number 1 is equal to 10 or 11, so that will execute, otherwise else में जाएगा. Here number 1 is equal to 10, so first statement will be execute, otherwise else second statement. So what will be output? This will be output, okay? So let's remove this one. Okay, so let's remove the syntax. Okay, so what will you output here? Number 1 is equal to 10, number 1 is equal to 10. Yes, yes. So question mark, so first execute, so if statement will be output here. So you can see na, if statement will be output. Second, if suppose number 1 is equal to 11, number 1 is equal to 11, no, because number 1 have initialize 10. Okay, so what will be output? Else statement. So here will be output. What will be output if this statement will executed? Number 1 is equal to 11, no, condition is false. Condition is false, so second statement will be executed. If condition is true, so first statement will be executed. So here condition is false, so second one means else statement will be, so else statement will be as output. Okay, so that is the ternary operator. Okay, so if you have any questions related to ternary operator, so you can ask. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.